All right, so today we're replacing the cylinder seals on this Atlas 8,000 pound 4-post hobby lift. So the cylinder's got a cap on it, nothing too weird about it. You got these 5/16 holes in 3 places around. I've got basically a 4-inch spanner wrench with a 5/16 pin on it. That's easy, spin that out, you got a couple of seals. Now this here threw me for a loop trying to figure out how the end here of these seals, how this was held on. So there's a cap on the end, this little cap here, and then over top of this cap, this is threaded into this portion here. Then on top of this cap is a snap ring that holds the cap on. And then once we got that off, basically we're looking at it like this and wondering how the heck does this come off of here? Couldn't really tell. Well, it's actually held on like a valve keepers on an engine. So you basically have, half a keeper on one side, on the other. And then when you pull this back and thread this plug into it, and then the snap ring over top of the plug, it kind of keeps it all from coming apart. So anyway, for anybody else that's having this trouble and scratching their head like I did for the last hour, that's how it's held on, like a valve stem keepers.